Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this nice and mixed media look for your next effect or music video. Starting off, I already have my clip right here for the Paint Dreads music video. So I'm going to go right here, go to new, and create our adjustment layer right here, and make sure it's above our clip. So for the first effect I'm going to add is glow. Type it in right here. I'm going to go all the way down and look for stylize and go to glow. Then I'm going to increase our radius all the way up to 57. Close this out. And then I'm going to add colorama, drag it in, head over here to modify, go to all, and put on HS. Close out the modify menu, go to output cycle, go over here to use preset palette. Then I'm going to select the granite preset right here. So it's under golden 2 and above horizon 1. Once after that, I'm going to close out our menu right here. Then for the next effect, I'm going to add is noise. Head over here to noise and grain, drag a noise, turn off use color noise. Then I'm going to add 29 on amount of noise. Close this out right here. Then I'm going to add grain. Go to noise and grain and select add grain. Go to preview and put on final output. And close out our menu. Save our project. And that's how you create this nice and clean mixed media look for your next music video or edit. If you did like this video or you learned something new, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment. And apart from that, guys, keep working hard, keep on chasing your dreams, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.